We have a group here called Confirmed. We have another group called Maoki and another group called TZ. These groups were fought seriously here in Nakuru North, hizo areas of Bahati, Nakuru East. Now is like they have seen another hideout in Nakuru West. And for the last 3 weeks they have intensified their criminal activities combined with the Mungikis, and they have started controlling certain sections of the businesses in Roda and Kaptembwa. We have some areas that we've profiled as hotspot in Ikwaroda. There is an area called Pondamali, Siwarinj, Majembe, Njasho, Grogon, and Posta na Top 10 and the Steamer Line. All those areas, like yesterday we had a lot of complaints in the afternoon where members of the public were complaining that these groups were harassing them. They were putting stones so that they collect money, and the reason was that they want to bury one of their own. In that period, mob had killed like 3 members from these different groups. Now yesterday is like they wanted, as they prepare for the burial, they wanted to revenge. Now they were revenging amongst themselves, the Maukis and Confirmed, but again they were harassing members of the public and stealing from them.